Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. So I want to share a quick story with you. And this is a product that someone came to one of my events with and gave me a sample of this particular product, right? Just have a close up of this, have a look at this, right? You wouldn't guess what it is. It's a fan for sure, but it's actually, it's a selfie stick, right? So you put your camera there and you press a button here and the fan turns on. So you can actually have the best hair, and your hair sort of, it's really for girls, right? Their hair is sort of flying like this and can take the best photos, right? So someone brought this to an event just to show me. And what they did is they just went out ahead and they bought a whole bunch of these. They didn't buy many, they probably bought about 50 of them. And they came to the event and said, Alex, we didn't do any research. We bought all these products and we didn't do any research, all right? So this is why it's important that you guys do research. This is why we show you how to go about finding products that are actually selling right now, that people are actually typing in to Amazon, right? You don't want to be going ahead buying something without doing the research. This is why it's pivotal. And let me just show you, let me just write down the steps involved here, right? So, step number one, can I write on this? Okay, so step number one is you always do your research, right? So always do the research. And we have software, we have the software tools, right? We've got, and it's very easy to use. We show you exactly how to go about doing it. You find out on Amazon whether or not it's actually selling, right? Make sure it is making money. Don't do inventions, don't do brand new products, don't do products that have only been out on Amazon for a very limited time. You want to be going after products that are already doing money, so it's easy for you to go in there, throw the product up on Amazon and pretty much similarly replicate the turnover, right? So research, very important. I show you how to do this. That's step number one. Step number two is you get one in, you order one, right? You bring one in and this is what you call a sample, right? And it's very easy to do. You just want to try it out yourself, buy one, test it out yourself, and then the next step, number three, is you order and list it on Amazon. That's it, right? Order and list, okay? And actually sell. That's the most important thing. Not listing, it's actually making money and selling the particular product, right? But this is the order. You don't want to just go in here, order the product and list it on Amazon. You want to make sure it's making money. And this is why I spend a lot of time with the students making sure that the product is something in demand, something that's trending, something that is most importantly at the end of the day profitable. And this is why you need to do your research, guys. This is why I spend a lot more time with you making sure that the product is a good product. And a lot of other people don't really care. I care. I would actually want to make sure that your product actually sells when you do list it on Amazon. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for joining me. And also, if you haven't yet done so, join us on one of our live presentations where I go through step by step how to do the research, what we look for, the products that are actually trending right now on Amazon. I give you product ideas as well. So I'd love to see you there. Bye-bye for now. Have a great day. See you later.